Good day, everybody. Welcome once again to Flicker Brain. If you're a first timer on this channel and you want to learn everything regarding Google AdSense loading, be it YouTube or website, on this channel I teach everything regarding Google AdSense loading, and I also share some tips on how to grow your YouTube account, and we also teach YouTube loading on this channel. Okay, so you can go over here and click on the subscription button so that whenever I drop a video, you're going to be notified. By the way, today I'm going to be dropping an update on the last video I made regarding this account before it was balanced this month, and as I'm also going to be sharing my top proxies for for a successful loading, proxies that you will make use of and get qualified results. Regardless, let me log into the account so that you guys can see what we have done so far. Okay, so on the screen here you can see this is my live AdSense dashboard, and you have seen what we have done so far on this account. You can see what was balanced so far on the account, $33,000. This is roughly $40,000 that was balanced on this account. Okay, sorry, this is roughly $34,000 that was balanced on this account. And you can see the last payment. You can see what was received here too. The last payment we received around $20,000, and you can see this month we're already hitting this month with around roughly $2,000 on the account this month. You can see that we're pushing in massive traffic on this site, and you can see what we have done so far on the performance. You can see everything. We are making use of a strategy that is very effective. This is fully automation method. Everything here you're seeing on this dashboard is fully automated. Everything is fully automated. Okay, so regardless, now we are talking about the proxies I make use of. Now these proxies, I'm going to classify it from the proxies that are expensive and the proxies that are affordable. The proxies that are expensive have more quality than the proxies that are not expensive. Now the first of all, we're going to be talking about the more affordable proxies that you can make use of and still get quality results. Okay, so now I'm going to come over here. The first proxy I'm going to be talking about is PI proxy. PI proxy. You can see it over here. PI proxy. You can see the proxy here. This proxy is made from a China country, so I make use of this proxy too. All the proxy I'm showing you guys on this channel are proxies I have tested on different accounts and have received different results. So the first proxy I was on my list is PI proxy. Now the second one is Pi proxy. Pi proxy, you can see it here. You can see Pi proxy is the second on my list. Now this is also a reliable proxy. This is the number 2 on my list. PI proxy, which is the first one I said, is the first on my list. This is the second one on my list. Now the third on my list is Mount proxy. I know many of you might have had some experience with this proxy. This is also a very good proxy that you can make use of, and you're also going to get good results. Okay, so you can see it over here, Mount proxy. You can see. So this is another good proxy, and the best part of this proxy is more faster. It's more faster than all these proxies here. You can see all these two proxies. This proxy is more faster. If you're looking for more speed, that means when you're loading so that your website can open more faster, this is the right proxy for you. Now the last proxy for the cheapest section is going to be Cherry proxy, which is a proxy many of you are familiar with. This is a proxy. Before it was 360, it was named 360, but they actually changed their name to Cherry proxy. Okay, so now this is for the cheapest proxies you can afford and still get quality results. Now talking about the proxies that are expensive and have high score rating, that is, if you check these proxies on Scamalistic, you're going to see that the percentage of its fraud score is going to be very low, below 5%. It's going to be below 5%. These are proxies that are very effective, and they are mostly expensive. So Foxy proxy is the one on my list, and this proxy is an unlimited proxy. Okay, so Foxy proxy, you can come over here and find it. So I think it's this. Sorry, I don't think this is it. this is it here. You can see the one here. This is the Foxy proxy I'm talking about. Look at it here, Foxy proxy. This is the one I'm talking about. So you can come over here. This is the proxy I am speaking of. You can just come here and you can get started. You can see the plans that they have over here. So the second proxy is Oxylab. Okay, you can see Oxylab proxy. You can come over here. Now you can see this proxy. Oxylab is another very good proxy. It's a very good proxy server, but it's a little bit expensive. So if you're looking for quality results, excellent results, this proxy got you covered. You're going to see a smooth process. You're not going to experience much issue while using this proxy. So these are proxies I have tested and I have made use of them, and I haven't experienced much issues making use of them. You can go and try it out, it's guaranteed. So if you're also interested in knowing how I make this kind of results, you can click in the description box below. You're going to see a contact info there. And if you have a huge account you want to bring in for partnership, I also accept partnership. This is a new month. I accept partnership. You can bring in your account for partnership, and we're going to partnership together and share revenue at the end of the month. Safe loading to everybody, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Stay safe, everyone.